Horticulture is the sustainability of plants. The way I like to think about it, it's gardening, it's row crops, it's like houseplants, it's all sorts of plants. A horticulture club is a community. We want anyone to join, whether you're plant science, whether you're criminology, biology, journalism. We want you all. We want everyone to learn, plants. What you can expect by joining the horticulture club right now, getting your hands dirty. Right now we're having a lot of field dates. We're actually helping out the United by Roots, their community garden. We've been helping them set up. We've been designing and taking care of their crops and all that. But we also have our own plants that we're also growing. The atmosphere of the club, I think, is probably our biggest selling point. We're all just friends with each other, and we want to be friends with all our members and hopefully turn this into a big community. It may seem like it's just for people who are into plants or are horticulture majors or plant science majors. It's not. Even though I am agriculture, I am terrible with indoor plants, but we're all learning together. It isn't just for like one person. Plants are for everyone. You see them everywhere. You see them on your way to school, you see them by your classrooms, you see them at home. They are an essential part to society. So it's not just for one specific major or one specific group of people, it's for everyone.